My name's Connor, and I'm 10 years old. And I'm Luca, and I'm 10 years old. We're off to the Maritime Museum in Greenwich. We're taking a boat, 10 skipper, going quite fast. We've just arrived in Greenwich, and behind us is the National Maritime Museum. Over here we have Lord Nelson, one of our most famous sailors. And if you carry on, over here we have, whoa! Hi, Luca. We're not here to mess around. Plans for a big ship. Plans for a big propulsion ship. They ate the food, made a mess, spread disease, which made the sailors on board ill. Okay. Sound too good? Oh, okay. I think that's how you shoot.
Oh, that was close. You'll need to make a small adjustment.
Very interactive. Yeah, quite fun. Can be set between ships and ship to shore using flags. These flags are part of an international code of letters and numbers. Okay. Use flags to write messages. This is Nelson's column. It was used in the Olympics. This is a ship simulator. The same software is used to train real seamen such as P&O ferry captains. Just be careful you don't get seasick. This is like the only thing that children cannot touch. It's amazing. Good shit. Just had an exciting day in the National Maritime Museum in Greenwich. What would you give it out of 10? 7. 7? This is not strictly Connor, but yes, I'd give it 7 too. Good.